Hey there, language enthusiasts and tech lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends linguistics with cutting-edge technology. We're talking about machine translation, what it is, how it works, and just how accurate it is in today's world. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about how your favorite translation app works, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. But first, have you ever wondered how a simple phrase can be translated from one language to another in just seconds? What's the magic behind it? Let's find out. Machine translation, or MT for short, is a technology that automatically translates text from one language to another using algorithms and computational models. It's been around for decades, but recent advancements in artificial intelligence have revolutionized how we understand and use it. The journey began in the 1950s with the first attempts at automated translation, which were quite primitive. Early systems like the Georgetown IBM experiment translated simple phrases from Russian to English, but the results were often far from perfect. Fast forward to today, and we have some impressive systems in place, like Google Translate, DeepL, and Microsoft Translator. So, how does machine translation work? At its core, MT relies on two main approaches, rule-based and statistical methods. Rule-based systems follow a set of grammatical rules and dictionaries to translate text. Statistical methods, on the other hand, analyze large amounts of bilingual text to learn how languages correlate. However, the most groundbreaking approach we see today is neural machine translation, or NMT. Neural machine translation uses deep learning algorithms that mimic the way the human brain processes language. This method significantly improves the fluency and accuracy of translations by considering entire sentences rather than translating word by word. For instance, rather than just translating "I love you" as a "yo amo tú" in Spanish, NMT understands context and nuances, providing a more natural translation. Now, let's talk accuracy. According to a study by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, modern machine translation systems have made significant strides in recent years. For example, Google Translate has improved its accuracy by more than 60% since it switched to neural networks back in 2016. In controlled tests, it achieved an impressive BLEU score, a metric used to evaluate translation quality, indicating that it's now on par with human translators for many common phrases. However, while machine translation is incredibly useful, it's not without its limitations. Context, idiomatic expressions, and cultural nuances can still trip up these systems. For example, consider the phrase "kick the bucket," a humorous way to say someone has died. A machine might translate it literally, leading to confusion. Or take the word bank in English, it can refer to a financial institution or the side of a river. Without additional context, the translation could go awry. Moreover, languages that are less represented in the dataset, like many indigenous or regional languages, often suffer from lower accuracy. For instance, translating from English to a lesser-known language might yield less reliable results simply because there aren't enough data samples for the algorithms to learn from. Despite these challenges, machine translation continues to evolve. Companies are investing heavily in improving algorithms, and researchers are constantly working on ways to make translations more context-aware. The integration of machine translation with other technologies, like speech recognition and augmented reality, is also on the horizon, promising even more exciting developments in the future. So, to summarize, machine translation has come a long way from its humble beginnings. Today, it leverages powerful algorithms to provide quick and surprisingly accurate translations, but it's essential to use it with an understanding of its limitations. As technology continues to advance, who knows? We might soon see a future where machine translation is indistinguishable from human translation in many contexts. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Do you have experiences with machine translation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.